Hello everyone, welcome to Electric Power Syrup YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be covering about how to access the PSSE documentation and where it's located. I mentioned I will cover the documentation in the previous video at the end, but I realized it makes sense to cover it separately as I want to talk a little bit more about it. Let's get started. So after we launch PSSE, there are two methods. One is launching PSSE and then accessing the documentation through the interface. Or second, to locally browse the files in your local hard disk. So I'll show you both the methods and highlight which are the documents we will more frequently refer. And in the coming videos, as I cover different topic, I will also mention which document and which chapter there is more information about that in the PSSE documentation. As there are a lot of documents, it can be sometimes challenging to find where is the content you need. So let's get started. First way is after you launch PSSE, there is this help menu button on the top, as you can see. So you just click that and click on the first, which is PSSE documentation. And you will see it opens this PDF. And as you can see, it contains the list of all the available documents. Each of them is a separate PDF file and can be opened in any Adobe or PDF reader. The more important ones which will common or more frequently referred to would be program operation manual and program application guide. This is the place where you will find the theoretical concepts or the behind the scenes mathematical equations for different functions. Another important document which we will refer when I start covering about Python based script writing for PSSE. So you would need to use the PSSE API, which is the application program interface. This is the manual where it contains all the commands that you need to know to perform different actions through PSSE or through Python programming scripting. You can click on any of this document. For example, if I click on API, it will open as separate document. The other one I wanted to highlight is the line prop manual. So line prop is a separate module which you will be needing for chapter 4, which is the calculate transmission line parameters. So again, I will talk more about it when that particular topic is addressed in the future video, but just something to keep an eye on. And finally, the data formats. As I was mentioning in the previous video, PSSE uses a lot of data file formats for its different applications. Some of the important file descriptions are available in this data format, and it shows in detail what each of this file data looks like and what are each of those parameters and how to define in the data. It contains for different file. Like for example, you have power flow data file description, then it goes in detail how the bus information looks like, load information looks like, and similarly other file formats like for optimal power flow, dynamics, and so on. So this is one way of accessing the PSSE documentation through directly interface. The other way, let's close this. So the other way is go to File Explorer, go to your local C drive, Program Files, and then PTI. So this is for the Siemens PTI. And you will see a folder called PSSE 35. I have multiple subversions installed, but if you have only one of them, doesn't matter, both any version, it will follow the same structure. So for example, I go to 35.5 and then you hit the docs folder and you will see all that PDFs which was showing up when I accessed it through the graphical interface. So these are the same PDFs which open, and you can see the data formats PDF, program application guide, program operation manual, and so on. So I hope you got a quick overview on where this documentation and more information about the PSSE functions, parameters, usage is present. Hope this is helpful for your future and ongoing work. Thank you. I will cover next topic in another video would be how to create a 3-bus system from scratch in PSSE. Till then, take care. Please do like, share, and subscribe to stay tuned with up-to-date content on this YouTube channel. Thank you.